Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. New and latest ideas and latest flower bucket style handbags as a beautiful and creative ideas and colorful styles and colorful ideas. So I hope you like it my video and different styles and different looks, handbags looks. So I hope guys you liking this review and my channel. Different types and different style and sludgy OPTD for sludgy designs, your softer wool yarn to create a next oversized bag. This is ideal for a casual bohemian style color flower look. Combine different colors of wool yarn to create a stylish color and blocked flower effect. This adds visual interest to your large styles. Basket style use a basket wave stitch pattern to give your large bag and short bag depending for your choice and organized appearance. This is great for travel or weekend getaway. So I hope you like it. When working with the wool, keep in mind the natural warmth and insulation properties for the material. Additionally, consider lining your bag for added structure and to parent in terms from poking through the stitches. Enjoy your process of creating your crochet bags. Hey guys.